watching this video, then you are looking for a way to bind 3 monitors at the same time with your computer. That's why you need a USB-C type triple display docking station. And right here I have an example from WavLink that was sent to me for evaluation purposes in order to share my own opinion with you, connectivity, hands-on, and multiple other features that this docking station has to deliver. Now, if you paid attention from the beginning, I have 3 monitors connected to a laptop, eventually to a Windows one. But you're going to be able to easily establish a Mac connection, Windows, depending on the computer or laptops that you have in your possession. Of course, the connectivity of that goes through 4K. So you have 2 DP and 1 HDMI port for you to easily extend to those monitors. Now, also on the back of the docking station, you're going to find the USB-C type host for your computer or for your laptop to bind and connect. Now, the beauty of it that this one comes with his own adapter. Basically, when you are binding the USB-C type port to your laptop or computer, this one will charge that gadget automatically. And of course, another 3 USB-A ports for you to easily bind the keyboard, the mouse, the memory bank, or anything else that you need to bind. Maybe a keyboard like a piano, of course, if you do music. But if you do photo or videos, you're going to be able to easily establish a connection with the camera or eventually with your memory bank in order to transfer files in between. And of course, the LAN connection on the back will give you the mobility to bind a wired connection and to stream to up to 1000 megabits per second. The front panel eventually is easier. You have the power button in order to turn it on and shut it down, and USB-A port just in case you need to connect another USB-A in the front, and 2 USB-Cs that has the 10 gigabits. Once again, 10 gigabits for that as well, and the USB-A is also 10 gigabits. Basically, the information that is going to go through those ports will fly just like that. And of course, another port just in case you want to bind and connect a wired microphone or wired headphones for your mobility, or eventually speakers in the front. After setting up the displays, you're going to be able to easily adjust them to your needs. If you want it vertical or horizontal, you're going to be able to easily adjust to the specific display, and of course extend or eventually mirror the same monitor in order to show to different persons the same thing that you have on one. Of course, when you're going to open the box, you're going to find the instruction manual to make the connectivity of that super easy. But I'm telling you, it's super easy because it works on the basic of plug and play. Now, of course, if you guys are looking for an USB-C type triple display docking station for your office, for your household, in order to work productively, no matter if you do photo, videos, or music, or eventually working in a different direction, but you need 3 monitors for that, you should definitely have to consider the docking station from WavLink. This one is super easy to set up, very handy for a person that needs to be productive, and definitely a recommendation from me.